Hi there, Dr. Sandu here. I have the pleasure of having Donna here. Donna is one of the co-owners of Barovic Jewellers.
Yep.
Now, I love your jewellery shop. I think you've got an incredible, interesting amount of different things in there. And that's something that you've sort of worked on quite a lot, isn't it?
Yeah, we've been here for 13 years.
13 years,
yeah, we've got our workshop on site.
Yeah.
Make a lot of jewellery ourselves, a lot of repairs.
Amazing. And whereabouts are you?
To the Broadway,
The Broadway.
just
that's
at the
right.
top of the high street.
Yeah, so you're actually not far from the clinic. Now, Donna, you came because you were struggling with some back issues, yeah?
That's right.
So just tell us a little bit more about what was happening.
Lower back pain, wasn't able to get out of bed very easily, stiff neck, it just impacted all down my back.
Okay, and what we've now sort of treated you, what is what, the third treatment? How are you feeling?
A lot better, yeah.
Fantastic.
I can get out of bed easier, I'm not in pain with it, I can move a lot easier, my back feels so much better, and yeah, been great.
Fantastic, fantastic. Thank you so much, Donna. So guys, I mean, if you're struggling out there and any kind of pain at all, then Bedford Chiropractic Clinic should be your first port of call, because I absolutely, after 25 years of doing this, I'm sure that I'll be able to help you. But Donna, so this is February, Valentine's month, and I'm sure that you at your jewellery shop have got some lovely things for somebody who's looking out there for a piece of jewellery.
We've got some good offers. Come in, we've got free champagne, flowers and gift cards with some purchases, so come in and have a look.
Fantastic. And again, where are you?
To the Broadway, just at the top of the high street.
There you go. To the Broadway, top of the high street. If you're looking for that little gift for Valentine's Day, Barovic Jewellers, the place to go. And if you're looking for some help with some pain, Bedford Chiropractic Clinic, the place to go. So, give us a call, look forward to seeing you. Follow us on social media, follow us everywhere, and look forward to helping you. Thank you, Donna.
You're welcome.